Hi everybody, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and I've got great news for everybody who backed us on the Kickstarter for the jigs for knives. As you know, we've had a few setbacks. We did a redesign on the clamps, which took a little time. Then the factory had a holiday, which delayed us a little bit longer, and then the coronavirus set us back a little bit further. So we're still a little bit delayed. We're hoping for the end of March delivery, but what I've got to show you today is I'm going to go through, I've got several units here I want to show you. I've got an unboxing that I want to go through and just walk you through everything that's going to happen when you get your jigs. All right, so here we go. We've got a couple of units put together, ready to go. And I want to walk you through everything that is every little things that we've done to change, all the improvements we've made along the way, and exactly like I said, what you're going to get when you open the box, and some reasons behind what we did. And I think you're going to love it. So let's do it. You're going to get a box that looks something like this. This is going to be the outside of the box. And when you open it, you'll find another inside box. So we've got a shipping box on the outside. And then we've got the actual inside box right there. So let me grab that and take it out. All right, so when you open up the inside box, you're going to find that there's more boxes in the box. We're going to go through this in a little bit. There's a big box. These are pizza style boxes. On top, I'll go through that in a second. That's basically all your stones and whatnot that are getting in there, but I'll go through that later. Then we'll have another box. If you bought a base, then this is the box it would be in, and it would ship also separately if you buy the base later. And we'll get to that also as well. Then we get to the inside. So, and one of the things we wanted to do about the environment was be environmentally friendly. So cardboard is recyclable. This is why we're choosing a cardboard and a cardboard packing. Plus it gives us the durability to ship all over the world, because really once you use the jigs, we know you're not going to put it back in the box. You're going to keep it out on the table or wherever. So that's it, your first bits and pieces. Okay, the next layer, the base, whatnot. Let's pull that out. And the bottom layer has, well, the rest of the parts basically in your angle cube. So we'll get through that in a second here. I need two hands to take that out. All right, so one of the layers here, we've got the base, and we've got our clamps, which are semi-assembled, and our rotary area. This is the ExacuDrive, the stone holder, an angle cube, the IP65 angle cube. And we've got a T-handle hex drive. We've got the rod for the stone holder, and a little couple of bits and pieces, some screws for the base and for the clamps, and also screws for the acrylic base as well. And also one of the things we've added is H1 certified grease that you could use on the gears and also on the screws. So just another food safety thing that we've added to it. So, all right, in one of the boxes, if you bought the base, we'll pop that open. Here is your base. Jende jigs for knives. So it's going to be real simple. The screws are in the other area here, back in here. They just throw the base on, it screws right down. So it's really straightforward on that. The piece de resistance for us is this top box that was in there, that first box. What's going to be in here is your stones, anything that you've ordered. If you've ordered extra stuff, some bench drops or whatever, it accommodates basically everything that you're going to need to use the jigs in terms of abrasives and whatnot. So I just packed a couple things in here. This is not necessarily what you're going to get, but it's what you, an example of what you can get. So we've got basically a bunch of stones. They're going to fit in here, so you can hold several stones in here. So if you guys want to order a bunch, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here right now. We can definitely fit about a dozen at least. It also would fit a full-size bench drop, some 50 mil diamond emulsion from Jende. So you can pack in basically anything that you're going to need or want as you're purchasing add-ons to the system. I'm going to make another video with a stand. I need two hands to put this together to show you guys how it all works. Again, I made a video previously to this, how to put it all together, but it's basically the same thing, but it'll be more in depth. I'll do that next. Again, we're still hoping to ship out by the end of March, to start shipping at least the bare bones units, and then we'll get everything assembled and put it out. But we're still very close to the deadline, but we're on it, and we're going to deliver, and we know you're going to be happy about it. So yeah, thank you again for all the supporters for your patience with us and your trusting us, And we're very excited, and we know you're going to love this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So thank you.